Yo, so before I start today's video, I would like to apologise on the lens and the microphone situation. Now I dropped the camera and it's broke the lens. So that's my mistake. We are aware of it. The microphone on the other hand, somebody's unplugged the wire, so the sound's a little bit off in the last few videos. But we are aware, it's plugged back in. We have been talking about getting some Bluetooth mics, so bear with us. And yeah, enjoy today's video.
Morning guys, so it's Saturday at JM. Hopefully you've seen this on the Friday night or potentially on the Monday, depending on when Callum edits it. So I'm just going to give you, it's going to go out on the Friday or the Monday because we don't film a lot on the weekend because it's super busy and we're down, like the team's sort of like on its bare bones. Kyle's come in, he's not his Saturday in, but he's come in to strip Hamid's box just to see what it needs, so he's come in for that. And Toby's just collected his S8, so I'm going to try and grab them now to see what they think. Right, in the workshop with Kyle, like I say, it's Saturday, so it's not his day in, but he's working on Hamid's box. There we go, Mr. Hamid, so that's damaged there, and you can see there on the back, there's a little bit of play there that Kyle will probably show it, because obviously the inertia. So Kyle's going to strip it all down, and check what's what. So Kyle, while I've got you, the plans with this is to do what exactly?
So, as I've got one there, we need to take the box off, the actual housing casing. We need to inspect all the gears, because obviously it's took an impact on the main shaft. So we need to strip it, inspect it, check the synchro, and just make sure everything's spot on.
So what we'll probably do for Hamid, because the box is only rated to about 1600 horsepower, 1700, cars have done more. Hamid's done 2000 horsepower with this gear set. What I would probably say to Hamid is he probably wants to get a list of off Kyle of what's failed and get the replacement parts, so you can sell this set to someone that wants to do 13, 14, 1500 horsepower, because it's still in fairly good condition, some of the gears. So Hamid, time to get your wallet out.
Well done.
Yeah. Thumbs up, there we go. You see it? Just come into the engine room. Jimmy's off to Texas on Monday or tomorrow, and I can see Nathan's engine is now on there, and Jimmy is going to...
Heads are coming off. We're going to do a bit of head work, which is going to support his new turbo kit better.
Get all the bits ready for me, basically.
Yeah, so it's just a case of get it apart, get everything clean, prep, ready for machine work while I'm away. Then when I'm back, I've got RB bits will be ready, heads will be ready for this, and I'll have a balanced assembly back from the balancing shop. So I'll have 3 to run straight into
lots to do when you get back.
So at our event in April. So
we've got a secret event, so you're not supposed to know that, but anyway.
Oh, right.
No, it's fine. Yeah. It's fine. Yeah, so we're doing a little event ourselves, a little private testing day
just a
in April.
Testing day for
race was August the 19th.
Yeah. So this is all preparation
for that.
And also R&D.
You happy with the engine?
Mate, it looks mint.
Good.
Like, really good.
Good. Do you know how many miles he's done on it?
I don't, if I'm honest.
We'll be able to find one to put the ignition
definitely. But no, I mean in general inside, we're not taking the crank out, we're not touching rods and pistons. But everything so far, you know, the engine as it's come out of the car, it's got to have done
10,000.
I would say probably somewhere between 5 and 10,000.
Yeah.
He looks after it, but he does push it as well.
Yeah,
you know.
That's it.
And it looks absolutely mint.
Good.
Like, you know, really good. So I'm over the moon.
Good.
Cause I've never had one of my engines apart.
Yeah. Big shout out for Nathan.
So, and it's only a part, not for a mechanical or a problem. It's a part because he wants to go more, because he's been that satisfied with it.
Yeah.
So that's kind of testament to what we do and what I do, which is, it's kind of a compliment in disguise. Really.
Yeah. So there we go. So Nathan's going to have his OEM valves taken out, upgraded valves put in. We're going to do some modifications to the head so he can get more power. So I'm going to go now and see Toby as he's just checked for his S8 and he's going to take it home. So I'm with Toby. Toby's going to come round this side.
Yeah.
Toby, S8 is ready. Yeah, so Toby bought this. He lives local. I think you came, was it 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, a few weeks back, had a look at it.
Yeah, had an issue with the sound system. You've probably seen on this week's videos with me and Jimmy been trying to figure out what was going on. So a big shout out to the boss repair guys in Edinburgh again. Yeah. So that means Toby's now picked his car up earlier than expected.
Yeah.
Happy with it?
Very happy.
Yeah,
Very
it's nice
happy.
car, isn't it?
Yeah, I've been looking for one of these for a long time.
Yeah, and you'll probably see Toby at Race Wars. He says he's going to bring it.
Yes.
V10, 5.2.
I don't think I'm going to run it.
All right.
I'll bring it, but I might not run it.
Do you think you should run it? Put it in the comments.
Okay.
So yeah, so big thanks to Toby. So Toby,
Thank you.
thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
So I've just spotted Gizmo in the car park, and he's just coming through, and he's got me my Nando's. So I said, if you're coming in, get us a Nando's. Obviously I'll pay for it, but I said get us one, and he actually has got me.
Hello.
You got me a Nando's.
Certainly
He
is.
has. Coming through, coming through. Come on. Thank you very much, Gizmo.
Not a problem.
I believe you are dropping some parts off. Is that
Yes,
right? What is it you're dropping off?
I've brought my exhaust up for you for the work you're going to do for me next week. Or the
So I'm just going to get Gizmo on the camera. So Gizmo, what exhaust have you bought?
I brought a Tomai TI Titanium Extreme. I bought the R34 GTR version because it was cheaper than my version, and these guys are going to modify it for me. Happy days.
Titanium. There we go. That is Gizmo. So give him a like on his Instagram page. For now, I'm going to enjoy these chicken wings. So this is my Saturday. I'm actually babysitting. So we've got Dean's kid, Callum's kids pop in. I'm trying to do work, but they've got now today, so they just love coming to GM. So they're just chilling with me in the office.
You don't like it, Jackie?
Nah, I like kids. There we go. I'll let them crack on. Right, I'm now going to eat my chicken wings. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you like the videos we're doing. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, share, comment, good, bad. Okay.